Okay, HadesOmega here. So I just wanted to add this quick video clip to my Mosslanda picture frame, or it's a coin holder now. Challenge coin display shelves. So this is the final product right here. It turned out pretty good. Like I said, I think I may add another one right here. It looks like there's enough room for one more. So I'll show you how I got it set up. So I got my coins here, and the coin, like I said before, the coin rack actually fits in there perfectly. So that's good. I'll put a link in the description below to the coin rack that I bought, and one of them seemed like it kind of fit kind of tight, and then the other ones they just kind of slipped right in. So like, yeah, they may not be made all the same. That's what I'm gonna say. So yeah, and then I have this. I put my flag holder, this little flag dealie that I got. I got this after my deployment during Operation Iraqi Freedom 2, and it was in a house fire, so that's why it looks like it's in really bad shape. But it still survived, so that's good. But yeah, so it actually fits in there pretty good too. And then I have a bunch of like autograph boards here, Japanese autograph boards that I've got signed, so I'll just put them there for now. This should be pretty easy to dust. The good thing, actually the good thing that the coins are under another shelf is that they won't get as dusty too. So probably the stuff on top might get dusty, but the stuff down here won't get as dusty because there's another shelf on top. So that's why I want to add another one here. But yeah, it turned out really good, really strong. It held the weight of the coins just fine. Yeah, held the weight of the coins just fine. Those coins weighed quite a bit, so when they're fully loaded. So, but it's a good thing. These ones I was able to mount on studs, so that's it just so happens I got really lucky, and the 3 studs were like in the exact place that they needed to be. So. And then this one I'm using those inserts. So yeah, there it is. It turned out really good. That's the final product. Like I said, I will probably add another shelf, and then actually there's some smaller shelves. I may get the smaller shelf for this guy, and I could just put it somewhere else. And we'll just put coins here. I can put one more rack right here, and then something else on top. It'll be nice. So probably something like these boxes up here. I got the curtain rod here. Good stuff. All right, there it is. I might do another video go over all my coin collection. If you guys are curious, what coins I collect. Basically base coins, coins that have been awarded or presented to me, and then museum coins, and then like souvenir coins. And I do pins also. I collect a lot of things. HadesOmega collects a lot. Whenever I go somewhere, I make sure I get some souvenirs. The majority of my traveling money goes towards souvenirs. Alright, HadesOmega. Hope you've enjoyed it.